Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today me and my cousin are going to be trying out this new Laffy Taffy. And we're going to be trying out Dollar Tree slimes. We're going to start with the candy and we're going to move our way up to the slimes. She doesn't want her face to be seen, but I'll leave her YouTube channel in the link description and below, down there, somewhere.
Alright, so
let's get on with the video.
Alright, so this is the new Laffy Taffy. I wonder if it's rainbow colored, but let's get started on it. Oh my god, it's taking forever just to open. This looks so weird. It won't freaking... Alright, I got it. Alright, you see there's some blue and pink in it. Alright.
Pretty good.
I like the strawberry part better.
It mostly tastes the strawberry.
Yeah. Because it only makes a streak of blue in it.
Yeah.
Out of 1 to 10, what do you rate it? I rate it a 7.
I rated it a 9.
Actually, pretty much, I think an 8. I love Laffy Taffies. Alright, next, let's go into our...
I want to eat it. I want to eat it. You have more. No. Stop.
Alright, we're done. Alright, so next we're going to go to slime. Which one do you want to go on to? Want to go on Jiggly?
On it.
Alright.
So, I'm putting it closer. It's really jiggly. It's kind of sticky. It's also really dirty. This is our first time opening it. It's all dirty.
Because it just fell on like... Your hands are dirty. We're just outside.
True, but
I like the sound.
it's a pretty red color. It looks
ASMR.
like a different color on the camera, but... But this one is, I rate it, since it's not really stretchy.
It's jiggly slime. Regular jiggly slime's not stretchy.
I know it's not supposed to be stretchy.
I mean, it's not even satisfying. The finger poking thing is not even It does it a little bit, but it's not as satisfying. But I love the sound effects on it.
That was the slime. She was putting it back in the container. I don't know if you heard it on the camera, but she was sticking it back in.
Innovative bird sound. That was funny.
I like it. I like it. It's not really...
Not my type of slime. I like stretching it.
Yeah, it's not the kind of slime we would usually like.
It's
But
like
it's good to...
it doesn't even stick on you.
It
doesn't
cool.
stick on you.
Everybody, shh, I'm gonna... That sounded so satisfying. Let's move on to
No, look, it doesn't even go on your clothes. It doesn't stick on your clothes.
I thought it was about to. Okay, well, the next one's a putty.
It feels watery.
It is. It's jiggly.
Alright, but still, here.
Oh my god.
Alright, next we got this.
That's a putty.
Glitter slime. It says it's slime, but it's really... feels like... It looks like putty, and usually their slimes are putty. It's clear with glitter, blue and purple, as you can see. Very pretty.
Okay. It sounds very satisfying. I'm gonna rip it in half. It rips like putty.
It doesn't have that much satisfying.
Goes red.
Alright, so... did we rate the last one?
Oh, I don't.
I rated an 8.
I rated it a 6.
Actually, I rated like a 7.
This, it's kind of, you have to stretch it
It's so
slow.
pretty.
It's pretty.
That's one thing I like about it.
You have to stretch it kind of slowly. Unless if you stretch it fast, it rips.
And
I like the sound of this.
I like the way it breaks in your hands, but that's not even supposed to be slime. They should just name it putty. It doesn't stick onto it doesn't stick onto your clothes.
If it's in the container, I like how it pokes, but then outside.
I don't like the way it looks like this, like it's ripping.
I don't like if you squish it, it like rips.
It looks like rubber.
So I give this a 5 out of 10 because it's half of what I like.
So my slime one.
Half of what I not like.
I give it a 4.
So I'm gonna stick this back in here.
I don't really like it. Hold on, wait. Move. Let me see that. I got a great idea. Move, Gigi.
Yes, okay. I will be moving now.
Gonna try to ball this and put it in a ball. It's gonna take probably a couple seconds or a minute or 2. All right. It won't go in a ball. What type of putty shit is this? It's not going together.
It's a really bad quality.
Oh, take that back. I'm just gonna use this little piece. God, Jesus, this is taking forever. All right, this is as good as a ball we're gonna get. All right, so let's see if it's bouncy, cause some putties bounce. It bounces.
Okay, now let's see if they will mix.
You got my slime here, didn't you?
It fell on the ground, so we don't know. We're gonna rip it in half right now. I'm gonna take some of this red slime.
I don't even think Jiggly slime will go blend in. But look, I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm just gonna.
Yeah, I'm kind of mixing it.
I don't even think it's not going together.
It's not gonna go together, but we want to see what will not happen.
It just didn't go together. It's still in there.
So also, this red slime is also really warm and kind of makes your hands messy if you squeeze.
Bro, it feels like your hand's wet, but it's really not.
Yeah, it really does. So.
Here.
I'm gonna put that putty back. Put it back in here. Now my.
That was this.
Time for the ASMR.
All right, gotta be quiet. Alright guys, so come back to our next video of the 3 colors challenge.
What is this? Something got in the slime.
Alright, come back to our 3 colors challenge on the next video.
Bye,
Bye guys.